Si Michael Jordan, when he was asked kung ano yung kanyang best skill, sabi niya, yan ang sinabi niya, my best skill was that I was coachable, I was a sponge and aggressive to learn. So if you think about it, no, Michael Jordan, mahusay na basketball player, no? One who walks on air, di ba? So hindi yun yung kanyang best skill, hindi yung pag-shoot ng bola, hindi pag-dribble, hindi yung kanyang play, ang kanyang best skill. Ang best skill niya is that he's coachable, di ba? Meron pang isa. This is from Desmond Howard. Sabi niya, no matter how talented you are, if you are not coachable, you are replaceable. I have a friend who was manager of a European football team. Hindi itong football na to, no, yung soccer football team. Sabi niya, every year doon sa kanyang country is they do a national tryout for the national team. And sabi niya, hindi yung pinaka-talented players ang nakukuha para pumasok sa team. In fact, there are less talented players who get into the team than talented ones. Sabi ko, bakit? And sabi niya, kasi if you're not coachable, just like what Desmond Howard said, it will be very difficult to improve. So, what does it mean to be coachable? You have to be capable of listening and learning. That requires curiosity, being open to feedback, and of course, taking action. Maraming mga tao attend ng kung ano-anong seminar training, pero doon sila natatalo sa taking action because they don't take action. Okay? So, ano ang ating learning contract today? May learning contract tayo. Sabi ni Pine and Horn, authors on learning, sabi nila, learning is an experience which occurs inside the learner and is activated by the learner. In short, I cannot teach you anything you don't want to learn. Learning comes from within. The best thing that I can do, especially tonight, is to knock doon sa door mo, but you decide whether you will open the door or not.